a second. Do not push down. Do not push down. So what have you done yet?
So push it down and hold the button.
Okay, now is the key in?
Yes.
Push the key in, but not the button. Is the light going on? Are you pushing the key down?
This is gonna scare.
Okay, one sec, Ben. I'm gonna record too, okay?
Uh,
Hold on.
It's turning off and on.
my dad's also gonna record.
You have to press the button hard.
Yeah, you gotta hold it down kind of hard, okay?
Ready?
Once that light turns on, Ben, then you're gonna hold the button down, okay?
This is scary. Oh,
Now?
yeah.
Now?
Go ahead, Ben.
Wow.
Where is it?
Stop parachuting. Okay.
Oh!
Parachute it. Parachute it. Now fly down. Fly down.
Oh!
Cool?
Okay, that's gonna take forever.
Oh!
Look at that. Cool. Did it perfect.
This rocket's awesome.
We should find one of these aliens. No, it's gonna land over here.
Yeah, it's gonna land.
It landed!
I see it.
Oh! Hey, Dad. Are we gonna launch one again?
I don't know.
Oh. Well, guys, that
What
was
do you think of that?
awesome.
And then it worked perfectly, didn't it?
Uh-huh. Well, guys, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel.